What we have here is fluorescent lights, 4 feet tube lights, and we see this all over the world. What is on now is a magnetic ballast with T12 lamps, thick, fat lamps. Magnetic ballast with T12 lamps. So these are 40-watt bulbs, 40 watt, 40 watt, and maybe another 16. So you can see it's consuming almost 100 watts. It's consuming about more than 90 watts it's consuming. More than 90 watts. Now what we'll do is we'll replace this with electronic ballast. High efficiency electronic ballast with T8 lamps. And you see what happened to the wattage. It is down from more than 90 down to 60.
That's but the benefit
From
of the
magnetic,
technology itself.
that's the benefit of the technology itself. Now let's go to the same thing, but this electronic ballast has Transpower technology inside. Now look at the meter.
But I want to film the. This is Transpower?
Transpower, yes. That's a Transpower technology inside that electronic ballast.
Okay.
And you can see what happened to the wattage. It dropped from 60 down to 48. So when you move from the big one down there to our technology ballast, you will save half the wattage. And you can also see one more thing. I'll turn all of them on. All of them on. You can see the light. This is much softer light to see.
It is.
You can actually look at this light.
Yes.
Because power quality is good and clean.
And what about the heat?
And it is cool. And you can touch the ballast. Your hand will not burn. You don't need gloves.
But in the other ones I will burn.
Other ones will be hotter. They'll be hotter.
Yes.
And this will be the hottest.
Yes, I can feel it.
And this will be cool. You can touch it. You can hold it without gloves. But this one, you cannot touch it without gloves. This one will be warm.
Now, is there a correlation here, a deal
See that?
between what you said earlier and resistance?
Yes, it's the same thing what we're doing, because there are coils here, windings here and windings here, and the gas is flowing through. So when we put our technology there, our MPTS units is like a big ballast. So I show you the reduction in wattage, and that's what it's going to happen in our MPTS unit. Think of this as a big ballast. So that's
And for the record, unfortunately, this doesn't apply in the incandescent bulbs.
No, you cannot use our technology for resistive loads. You can only use it for inductive loads. Inductive loads are like transformers, generators, motors, compressors, and fluorescent lights. Anything that has a winding inside that is where you can use MPTS technology, because the wastage is there where you have windings. There is no wastage in resistive loads. In electrical heaters, in electrical ovens, electrical stoves, you cannot save energy because it is resistive loads.